All right, so here's how we're gonna foam roll your hamstrings. You take your foam roller, place it on the ground, start with it right above behind your knees. So like basically like where your fold is in your leg, put it right above there. And we're gonna start with the least aggressive to the most aggressive way to foam roll your hamstrings. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna roll all the way up to right below my butt and go back and forth with both legs on the foam roller. If this is too easy for you, then we just take one leg over the other and go up and down, just like so, and work all that tissue out on your hamstrings. And obviously we switch legs, do the exact same thing, just like so. If that's still a little too easy, what you can do is you can put some pressure there. And now once you find a tight spot, move your hips and that leg and rotate it back and forth. Ooh, did not know I had a knot right there. And move back and forth just like so, unwinding that tissue on your hamstring. And then kind of move your way down and kind of go the length of your hamstring, undoing that right there, ready? And then basically flip sides and do the exact same thing, all right? So this is how you foam roll your hamstrings.